Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasima Tatisha. ID 222134016, and my topic is digital signature. First of all, what is digital signature? A digital signature is a cryptographic technique or a mathematical technique used to verify the authenticity, integrity, and non-repudiation of a digital message or a document. Non-repetition is actually sender cannot deny that he or she sent that document. It ensures that the message was created by a known sender and that it has not been altered during transmission. How does a digital signature work? Actually, a sender send a data by hash algorithm, then the sender use her private key to sign the message, and then the receiver use the sender's public key to verify it. What does a digital signature look like? Is A digital signature is not something you can always see directly. It is actually hidden code based on a public key infrastructure. We use Adobe Acrobat or any other like software to digitally signature it. In Adobe Acrobat, we see blue ribbon, sign and verified message, signature name. Digital signature, kind of like invisible or hidden thing. No visible mark on the document. It use photos, some system files, but it still contain the certificate info, issuer, or timestamp, things like that on like the digital signature. Real world use challenge response authentication is actually has two types, unidirectional and bidirectional. And for unidirectional, Bob is actually the verifier and Alice the claimant. Bob sends challenge as RB and Alice signs the RB and sends back, and then the Bob verifies it. And for bidirectional, Alice and Bob both exchange their challenges to each other, then both verify themselves. Well, both verify actually each other. Digital signature by a public key cryptography. How does it work? Has two key like private and public. Then Alice sign message using her private key. Like first Alice, the sender sends the data, and you use her private key to sign it. Then Bob, the verifier, received the message and the signature. Then use Alice public key, the public key to verify, then private key used for signing, Elisa does it, and public key used for verification, Bob does it. One way hash function for digital signature. As for the process, Elisa creates hash message, signs the hash, not full message, sends message plus signature. And for like verification, Bob does it. Bob receives the message, then decrypt the signature, then compare hashes. And the benefit of is actually faster and efficient because it's like one way. Security issue, replay attack and solution. As for the replay attack, attacker resend a valid signed message. For example, resending payment request. A Then it is very dangerous. So the solution of its timestamp, like add time inside message, like uh, a sender sends the document by hash algorithm plus current time, at the current time, then it became like each signature becomes unique. Eraser prevent reuse of old messages. Alternative system, symmetry key, and abbreviator. The problem is actually no public or private key system. If it's ever happened, then the solution for a trusted third party abbreviator process. Alice encrypt her message to Bob with KA is the key and sends it to Trent. Then the Trent decrypt the message with that K key. Trent takes the decrypted message and statement that he has received this message from Alice and encrypt the whole bundle with KB. Another key. Trent sends the encrypted bundle to Bob. Bob decrypts the bundle with KB. He can now read both messages and Trent's certification that Alice sent it. Digital signature with encryption, it has four steps. For step one, Elisa signs the message. Elisa use her private key to sign the message. Actually, she used the her private key. This means actually this message is from Elisa because she signed it. And for steps two, Elisa encrypted for Bob. Alice sends securely by encrypting with Bob public key. She used like Bob public key to encrypt the message. Only Bob can open it because she used Bob's key. For step three, Bob decrypted the message. He decrypted it DB. Bob uses his private key to decrypt, and he used his private key to decrypt it. Now Bob gets the signed message. And for step four, Bob verifies Alice's signature, like VA verify. Bob uses Alice's public key to verify actually. If A for Alice's public key. If correct, the message is from Alice and is not changed. Uh, for advantages, it authentication, data integrity, non-repetition means that the sender can't deny that he or she sent that document. Efficiency, cost saving, eliminates the need for physical printing or any physical storage. Global legal recognition, it has that this time stamping that I told before, like hash function plus time added on the document. Then for disadvantages, private key security dependencies, it's like if the private key got stolen, then the attacker can like forge signatures. Complexity and trust gap, because it's like digital and sometimes the algorithm has fault or a technical things happen, then the trust gap became like very big. Then the technical dependencies also, like the process requires a specific software or service and not everybody can has that. For references, I use this website's references to make this slide. Thank you.